Assalamu alaikum, welcome to ICBT Consultants. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Microsoft Project 2024. Installing is very easy, just follow steps one by one. First, we will create a new folder on your computer and name it Microsoft Project 2024. First, we will create a new folder in Drive C. Right click here, new, and folder name is Microsoft Project 2024. After that, we will open Google. Here we will type Office Customization Tool. Office Customization Tool. After clicking here, a page will be open. Click on Office Customization Tool and select the required information. We need MS Project for Windows 20 64-bit. Here we will select 64-bit. In Office Suite, we will select Professional Plus 24. In Project, we will select Microsoft Project Professional 2024. Uncheck these options, all options. Next, here we will select the language, English. Click on next. Again click on next. Uncheck this option. Next. Again next. Next. And click on finish. Next, export this file. Here we will select open Office Open XML format. Okay, I accept. Export. After that, we will go to the download folder. We will cut this file and paste into MS Project folder. We will cut this file, cut and paste. We will paste in Microsoft Office 24. We will delete this file, no need of this file. Now we will go back on Google and open new tab. Here we will write Office Deployment Tool. Language is English. Next, download. Go to download folder. Run Office Deployment Tool. Yes. Click here. Continue. Select the folder or folder in Drive C. Okay, file extracted successfully. Next we will go to our folder, drive C, and there are 3 files. We need only 2 files, configuration and setup. We will delete this one. Next we will run cmd, search here cmd, and click on run as administrator. Yes. Here we will write cd space. Next we will select the folder address, copy and paste here, enter, and here we will add the command. Command is exe, right here. First we will write here setup .exe / configure spacebar configuration .xml. Next enter. Now you can see new window will be open. We are getting things ready. It will take a few minutes. We need to wait. Now you can see installation has been completed. We will open it and check. Right here, first we will close this window. Right here project. Next open. I accept. Click on new project. So we have successfully installed Microsoft project. Thank you for watching this video.